Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Alright, so we are going to do a very interesting video because this video is going to take me a couple weeks to complete. So if you want to know what I'm doing, definitely stay tuned and let's get started and figure out what am I doing. It will take a couple weeks. Okay, so what am I doing? It will take a couple weeks to finish this video. I wish it's travel, but it's not. It's really more a product trial, and I truly believe that when I'm trying something, I want to provide my true feedback. It will take time to film. It's not going to happen just one video, right? So the brand that I'm going to be reviewing is called Qure. It is the world's first clinical grade customized LED face mask with a compatible mobile app. Wow, what is that all about? So let me show you this right now. Your skincare investment is right here. This is really cool. I have not opened the box yet. It's brand new. I think it's a pretty new company. They just launched this. So I'm very honored that they select me to be part of their program. And I definitely spent a lot of effort on creating a really cute box with lots of good message. And right here, it says, step into the world of a personalized skincare. So what attracted me already is about customized personalizing. Because there's so many different LED masks out there, there's really no customized. I mean, it really just one fits all. And honestly, nothing wrong with a one fits all, but I think if you can customize, you're gonna get better result really, because everyone's skin's a little bit different and you have a different concern, different needs, so customize, it's important. QRejuvalightPro face wear, the world's first customized clinical grade LED light therapy mask that put you on a fast track to visible, smoother, youthful, blemish-free skin. So, you ready? Oh my goodness, this is really cool. Whoa! It's kind of scary, honestly. Again, you know, most LED face masks look somewhat like this. At least it's not white, because anytime it's white, it looks like Jason from the Friday the 13th. At least this is in really pastel green color and matte finish. So I kind of like that already. Whoa. Oh, it's super light. So this is the actual LED mask. And then if you turn this around, there's a gel padding here, and this is indicate all the lights around the mask. And obviously I haven't used this yet, but I do know it's customized, so I'm sure that you can address what I mean. So when you pull this out, oh, I see what happens. The mask is set in the center. And then there's a tray you can open. Oh, this is fancy. Wow, this box is very expensive. Okay, so let's see this. This probably is an instruction cards. Yep. It's the user guide and the menu. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you. I really hate to read menu. So that's why we'll watch YouTube. So the YouTuber can show you what to do. So I will study this on my own later. This is a lot of work. But this is cute. Has a drawstring with a little metal right here. So you can, oh I see, you can put the mask in here. Let's try that. So she can stay inside. Okay, I like that. So it's a portable, it's a very nicely velvet texture. And then there's also to strap them on your face. Okay. And what else is this? Don't know what's this, but we figure it out later. And then there's the charger cord right here. Okay, so you need to charge the LED mask first. Once you charge this, you also want to download the app. So the app is really cool. After you download the app, you want to connect the app to your mask. What's really cool here is that you can see that there's two categories they are targeting: anti-aging and anti-breakout, which is really my concerns. And you have option in certain area, the forehead, the side, the nose, the chin, the jaw, or your entire full face. You can pick where you want it to be treated. So what I pick right now is the forehead for wrinkle, aging around here, aging around the folio line, and a breakout right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. Oh my god, now when it starts, it gives me countdown 3 minutes. So I guess that's all I really need. So you can see there's 2 different color tone. The red is for anti-aging. The purple color is for anti-breakout. So you just leave this on for 3 minutes, and once time's up, you're done. How easy is this? Another thing that you can do is I noticed that is, let me just stop this now. You can also set a treatment. So basically, let me cancel this now. Basically, select the calendar and plan your treatment. So right now I planned it to do it 11 p.m. and repeat every day or every other day. Then you do a reminder, you do confirm. What I'm gonna do is the next couple days I'm gonna wear the mask, do a little video to show you guys, and then tell you, tell you that how I like it. But so far I really like it. This one more thing I do want to share with you right now is that I have a couple LED masks in the past. Not very expensive one. So most LED masks I'm getting is the LED is actually the red on top, so you actually get to your skin very close. So what this one's really cool is it has a gel, like some kind of gelatin protections. So the LED light, it's underneath, so it give you, I think it's better for your skin, so it's not so direct to the skin. And I personally, I think that's better. It's not too bad. It fits pretty well. Pretty cool, right? And the one thing immediately I noticed that the light is not so strong around my eye. Sometimes I try different LED light masks. It actually made my eyes very tiring, kind of just too strong. So this is actually not bad. All right, I can't wait to try this and then I'll see how this works on my skin. I'll see you very soon. I'm gonna start a treatment. So let's just do a full face. But I break out around here. Gonna do that. I'm gonna do start. So 3 minutes. This is the second time I'm using this, and this time I'm turning on all anti-aging. So far what I like about this is only 3 minutes. All you need 3 minutes to get your treatment done. That's pretty amazing, right? So is this worth your money or not? Well, I'm going to tell you that right now. Overall, I really love how easy it is to wear the mask, because all you need is 3 minutes a day. But I gotta be honest with you, just like all of us, even though you know you gotta do this every day, but how many times you forgot to wear the mask, right? So the app, you can set a reminder to remind you every day, certain time. So I set the time for about 11:30 at night, I think. That's usually the time I go to bed. It remind me to wear the mask. So I put a mask on, 3 minutes, so easy. 3 minutes can give you the skin that you always want, and you save so much more money do this at home. So I love the fact of this particular mask. And you guys know that I have 2 places, one in Anaheim, one in Downey. And it's so easy, just put the mask in this pouch and just take it with me. It's just simple. I like things simple, not complicated. So for that reason, I really love this. As far as the result goes, I gotta be honest with you, I only tried for 2-3 weeks. I haven't seen major transformations. But I do believe that if I continue to use more, I should get better result. And that's one thing I want to share with all of you right now is that if you don't have any major wrinkle on the skin or breakout, when you use this, you won't see a difference because you don't have an issue already. But if you have some, lines of wrinkle or breakout on the skin, then you can see more better transformation. Just like skincare. You buy skincare for anti-aging, but it's more for preventative rather than correcting if you don't have the problem. Does that make sense? So overall, I think this is really great. The price is right. Not to mention, everybody hold please, I have a discount code for you. I'm going to put a link below. So it's my name, Steve10, then you get 10% off. So definitely check it out. And this is what I ask you to do. If you choose to purchase this mask, use my discount code, why not? But I really want to hear how you like it. Do you have this good experience or bad experience? You gotta let me know, because you know, a collaboration like this, my opinion is really mine, right? But if you try it, I love to hear from you. So if there's anything good I want to share with Qure Skincare, if there's a challenges, and I also want to let them know too. So that's very important to me. So definitely share that with me. That means a lot to me. All right, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this. Let me know what type of video content you'd like me to do, and I will make it for you. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.